Hey traders, Raghee here, and in this update we're going to talk about multiple time frames, multiple time horizons, and what you can do when you're able to look at, say, a 5-minute chart and a daily. And at first it might seem overwhelming, but let's talk about what we did this morning and how multiple time frames and multiple approaches can actually be very complementary. Let's start off with the daily view of the NASDAQ. A lot of folks have been asking me, Rag, are you still bearish tech? You've been talking about bearish tech. We've been following you with these short the rip since the beginning of January. Or are you going to keep doing it? Yes, absolutely. And for most of the session, the NASDAQ was trading below the close. So first thing this morning, right? So I'm thinking short on the daily. Now, what does that mean for us intraday? Well, the trade that we took this morning was also a short on the NASDAQ. So here we have this wonderful bit of resistance up in here. V-score, slow stochastic, those of you that are fans of the hourly price movement range and watching those saw we reached this top resistance overbought level, and then we shorted it right through here. And this lined up really nicely with the morning view that the daily had below yesterday's close. Really powerful. Now, I don't want to make a big deal about what my typical day trading time horizon is, but most of you know I focus on the markets for the first 120 minutes of the day. By 11:30, done. And this is a great day. If you're able to short something in the vicinity of 13,980 to 14,000 and ride that down to about 13,900 and then 13,860, which is pretty much what we did, that's a great morning, right? And that's what we like to do. Now that freed us up to look at a few other things. And these are things that we've talked about in these updates and in Charts and Coffee. And by the way, this is the way that I broke down a lot of the webinar. Some of you might have caught that. If you didn't, it is still available. It'll be available for a little bit longer. If you want to catch that webinar, simplertrading.com/timeless, or if you just want to go right to the replay, it's timeless. Be nice if I spell that right. It's timeless or I should say hyphen replay. All right, timeless hyphen replay. Now, how does that longer term apply not only to futures traders, but also to options and ETF traders? Today, and it's been a long time, we've been waiting for the setup on the 6E. Got it. These are FXE puts. These are 6E futures shorts. All right. Remember that we can look at both the futures and ETFs with these daily time frame setups. And you'll see that in the webinar, the kind of end of day setups that we were looking at and the kind of intraday setups that we look at. All right, last example. And again, we've been talking about copper for months. You know that we've been trying to take advantage of the 200 propulsion. If you don't know how the propulsion works and the value of that propulsion, check out the webinar. We didn't have exactly copper at that level, but what did we have at that level? Freeport-McMoRan. So big trade for us on a commodities related setup right in here. You can see that explosion higher. That's exactly what we did in the mastery. So if you checked out this video, you'll recognize that setup and what we're looking to do. So check out the replay. I'll see you all in Charts and Coffee tomorrow morning, 9 a.m. right here at the Simpler Trading YouTube channel. If you have any questions about the day trades, Raghee, what is it that we're focusing on day trades and how can that make me a better end of day or swing trader? Leave the question, leave a comment, smash that like button if we're moving the needle for you. And I'll see you all in Charts and Coffee tomorrow morning at 9 a.m. Hey traders, Raghee from Simpler Trading. Thank you so much for watching this video. Be sure to leave a like and a comment below. And remember, subscribe and click the bell icon so you'll get notified of the next update. And when you're ready to join me for live trading, be sure to head on over to simplertrading.com. I'll see you in the next update.